Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll do some common SAT questions. Just if you are new for our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Here the question says that a delivery van travels at constant speed. The distance d in kilometers that the van travels is given by this formula, that is d is equal to 68 t plus 20, where t is the time in hours. What does the number 60 represent in this context? So, what is the 60 mean? A. The distance traveled after 1 hour, it is not. B. The van's speed in kilometer per hour. This is right. Since if it is speed, that is 60 kilometer per hour, and if we multiply by hour, it gives what? Distance. Therefore, should be what? Rate. This one is rate. In linear equation, you know that mx plus c. This m is what? A slope or rate. So the answer is B. Based on the above one, answer and write your answer in the comment section for this question. There is a volume given 25 m plus 10. V is volume and m is minutes, and there is 10. So what number 25 represents in this formula? Choose the one from this and write your answer in the comment section. This is another common question in SAT Maths. A tailor made 18 identical traditional outfits for a cultural event and used 42 meters of fabric for each outfit. The tailor could not use 20% of the fabric she started with because it was damaged. That means she doesn't use 20%. Which of the following is closest to the total number of meters of fabric the tailor originally started with? It is easy. Let's say the original one is x minus how many percent cannot she is uses 20%, that means 0.2x is equal to, there are 18 and times with 42. Then we can find the value of x. X is what? The original started length of the fabric. That means it becomes 0.8x equal to 18 times 42. It becomes 756. Then we divide both by 0.8 with 0.8. Then x becomes what? This divided by this. The answer should be 945 meter. That means in approximate, it says which of the following is closest to the original one. This is for the answer will be what? This one, 950. Based on this, answer this one and write the answer you get in the comment section. There is a carpenter built 25 identical wooden shelves and used 36 nails for each shelf. The carpenter could not use 10% of the nails he started with because they were bent. Which of the following is closest to the total number of nails the carpenter originally started with? Can you do this one and write your answer in the comment section? I think it is easy since we do the similar question before. So calculate the original number of nails and write the answer in the comment section. Well, let's do this one, and there will be another question also. You will do that question based on this what I did. A shipment of 84 notebooks is divided into 2 boxes for delivery. One box contains X notebook and the other box contains Y notebook. That it gives what? 84 notebooks total. The value of X is, that means X is 12 less than, that means 3 times the value of Y minus 12. Why minus 12? Because it says 12 less than 3 times the value of Y. What is the value of X? So we can write this one as X equal to 3Y minus 12. Then we can substitute in the value of X. That becomes 3Y plus Y minus 12 equal to 84. Yeah. Then you can shift this one to the right, and 4Y becomes what? 696. Yes, divided by 4 divided by 4. So Y is equal to, when you divide this one, 9 divided by 4, round 2 times 4, it is what? 8. Then 16 divided by 4 is 4. So what is the value of x? We are not asked the value of y. This one is the value of what? The value of y. So to get the value of x, you can substitute here. So x plus 24 is equal to 84. So x is equal to 84 minus 24. It becomes what? 60. Yes. Therefore, the answer is what? C. Based on this, you can answer this one. There is a batch of 96 cupcakes is divided into two trays. One tray contains P cupcakes and the other tray contains Q cupcakes. The value of P is 8 more than 2 times the value of Q. What is the value of P? I think you can answer this and write the answer you get in the comment section. If you use another method, you're welcome. It is appreciated. Thank you for watching. If you are new for our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time.